nene asomoche oyo o Kebirigo.
Mimi kwa majina ni Lilian Kimtunduko kutoka Kebirigo. Tunasema hapa Kebirigo tuko vibaya kabisa, security iko chini, hakuna mataa, tuko kwa giza kabisa, ni giza kabisa. Na hapa juu, hapa ndio vibaya kabisa njia.
Tunajua kwamba Kebirigo usalama umekuwa chini sana, kwa sababu ili si jambo la kwanza. Ni majuzi tu mtu aliuawa hapa Lirumi, na zaidi ya yote leo tumeamkia mtu akiwa ameuawa hapa viongozi. Tukiangalia tu kwa hapa Kebirigo hakuna mataa yenye yanaweza leta mwangaza ili mtu anapopita aone mwangaza. Kwa hivyo tunaomba serikali ya kaunti iweze kuangalia huu mji wa Kebirigo kwa sababu ni tauni kubwa sana.
Hingo ripotere Getembe koroiga Kebirigo viongozi eye kutoka imeye kaunti ya Nyamira. Nje Fatigad Gisemba.
Mano murikieto Fatgad Gisemba aso gutwariganiria oroboti urtogo sukabucio ikiombe gyokorwania chimbwa na baigobo kurumi ase orosagerwa Nyanza ya Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission nigo kyabage kumubeka byara Momanyi Gilbert Momanyi Maturwa nigo baba bako mwikiboigo busibweke gambere kenene egya kisi. Gilbert Momanyi nigabetega kubwatwa litukuligoro ne kiombe ase abetega kubwataraniwa no bukurumi obwisane chilingi chimilioni 5 no gutainya wetera ase kiombe kya ekyuborindi egekorukwa buna Jimo Security na boigo ase abetega kubwataranirwa amono bukurumi obwo na nigo abakagwikibwa busibweke gambiro ase nonye nabo abakagukana amamuchayu.
And the successful beta in the tender for provision of security services at Keroka Technical Training Institute, tender number ATT/1/2022-2024.
In respect to all the counties charged, the person shall be released on one of ownership's video, plus one surety of the said amount for a cash bail of 1 million shillings. I further order that the accused person shall deposit his passport in court. Pending this trial, the matter will come up for pre-trial conference on 6th of July.
Manchumo ligereria asoroboti ronde umugavana bwe county ya Nyamira Amos Kimwomi Nyaribo nigo litukulia lero abagakora umuyega bwo kubekerwa kigutwa ase aboro kigwa chimi 52 na kianda abo balenge ko graduate gosabo balenge gukora amageria buri litukulia lero na nigo abakagwikirana aso umuyego yo ase abagakobekera aboro kigwa bwo kigutwa nonye nabo nigabereka gosegeta amasomo asabereka gotabona nigere buya aboroki ubonse ko bwatarani n'amasomo naboigo chikozi cy'amaboko ekira chikubakonya asa matukari bosyo. Fatgad Gisemba norobotero asobime.
Umugabana oyoboye kaunti ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo nigo litukulia rero ara umuyiga bwo kubekerwa egutwa kwa borokiwa abo babiri bagokorya buya aso kwegera emirimo ya maboko korwase ekikuru emerongo 25 kimanyikaine buna vocational training centers imeye kaunti ya Nyamira.
The next one is Felix Otachi, electrical installation from Vigege Vocational Training.
Aiga aborokiwa chimya 52 na kianda nigo babekirwa egutwa egyo aso mugabana Nyaribo airarie bagerio na gusingerera buna gwike serikali yaye ekyekogenderera gusira amasomo anene korwa skuru echiga chobobundi.
I will stand with you from now onwards. I will double the efforts because the job market is expanding. You know, the job seekers are expanding at a rate which is about 10 times the economy is expanding. By so, you will only think of employment if you want to get work experience. Tatuweka macho yako, masikio yako kwa tujiachiri. Hiyo tu.
Umuyiga uyo igaboigo noikiranwa no mu vice chancellor we University ya Kisii Professor Nathan Ogechi uyo oirachinga kichae na kubasemia aboroki wa baiga.
These learners here, these trainees, the graduates who will surely be graduates, have not paid fees. That's what I was surprised, that the county pays their fees. The county builds, the county pays the tutors. That is not a mean achievement. That's not a mean feat. That's why your government with your officers and the county assembly must be commended for this. And that's why with the scholarship program from the KCB Foundation, it underscores the county government's commitment to eliminating financial barriers and equipping institutions to offer market-driven courses. And by investing in infrastructure for the TVET, the county is building a future where our youth are going to live.
Serikali ye kaunti ya Nyamira ikuragwa no mugavana Amos Nyaribo nigo babete bakubwatirana asobwange nebengi ya KCB asokubeka ensemo shilingi chimilioni 30 kubwamo asokwenekebuna aboroki wa baiga basomire omo MC bwe ward ya Nyansiongo Omusike Jackson Mugusu nigo atumikire chinga kechi na kubwatoka enkwane ye.
Your Excellency, this is the most impactful achievement we have done since the commencement of devolution. I wish we put more effort beyond graduating. And one of the incentives which we may initiate as a county government, how do we motivate our graduates or those who aspire to join a VCT vis-a-vis joining other colleges?
Chingaki echecho nigo egati yabo babekirwe gutwa na barobwo basegetire abande.
In our respective fields, to my fellow graduates, today marks the beginning of a chapter. Let us not allow this we have acquired to remain on paper. Go out, put into practice. Let us become job creators rather than job seekers. Let us use our talent to improve our lives, to uplift our families, and contribute to the economic development of our great county and the greater Kenya as a country. As the vision of this program, we pledge to be good ambassadors of the KCB to Jiachiri program.
Hingo reporter Getembe Koroiga Sirunga eje gutoke meye ward ya Busamaro West Mugirange County ya Nyamira Njefa Tigad Kisemba.
Ndiamadu sana umuliki wetu Fatgad Gisemba. Bosio bwechi nkuma chiyo kurobekana egati ye kigoli kia basaigia Genzi abuli tukulia ankyo asensi ya Kenya okubolia nigo kwa gandarire kubekwa asabasai wetanga kuruwaso kurobekana uko na gutumekwa bube hamona banasiasa koleta chibura burugu kwa na chinga kichege ikaro hamona barundi bechi pigipigi imeyo mocho busongo litukulia lero nigo omu MC omuchore omusubati Dolphin Bwali abeirega komenta nagotebabuna chiburaburu nigo chigoturubani omulembe na wego gusalia enibo eyere nyinge. Daniel Ontiri nabakagwikira nasegi kalikyo nagutwarekanira robotiru asobwime
Gukwana sensemo ya kichinjio imeyo mweche bosongo hase county ya Kisii bosio wechinkoma chikurobekana wangyo kuolia ni kukwabekirwa sabasae na mono abarundi chipigipigi wetanga kuraso kurobekana uko no gutumekwa bube n'abana siasa abalengete kwigotia chinda cyabo baraboka banyene. Dolphin Bwari no MC omuchore kurwasi county ya Kisii yote birebuna likelio abasaye nigo bwenete obwaterenigwa asamangana yemabaga yichigasi ao
abamurobete wa boda ya Kisii wabere bagutumika mono batarihotoka asa kinafasi chiburai come 2027 tiga boda abayiga batare n'abarai babo chikonyana n'abana abayitomba someta bontereba abana abayitomba someta mbachete skulu abane n'abarimu banyora marube y'abarimu n'abasubati babona barabumba somete baba chioka yewe ikete roba raibanya rechikura wasieka chiohisi na ino wanchira ndama nayo mama korena sina morai oliokubayinyura
Aso maiga uyuariganigwa na Ezekiel Omanga oibo gwikiranwa na babwatani au kurwa sekta ya bodaboda chinga kecho kobolia niko kwabe kwasa bana siasa gukora siasa ya maskani yobumo no morembe chinkwana charagwa na Josephat Sungura umwana siasa kura Kitutu Central hase bonge Kitutu cha South
abantu baito yatosikane kiro monto na abwate na koni kura ya usibona ya twata bali kumena ki na bota na ki bwali utagete bwali kwa mwanje mwakire kura agambe wanchire Sungura mwakire kura agambe ya kunya kwa bitisho ngakinga kingo kwa na oro ngwa tunde ya tona no morembe toichi kura biro because la rizo kingo kiro bwa mzee kasi mtoja kwa gaze muna more mwezi basi
Nkuruba terega tasene kiage tembe kurega se county ya Kisii litera nengro kwa Daniel Ontiri
Mbia mono sana Daniel Ontiri. Ritukulia lero niga bali mukuru wa chiskuru choboroso imeye bunge ya Bonchari baba bakumirana imeye wodi ya Bomurenda aso gusanga ebirengereri anana igoro yemechandeli bagwetera eriye kubairira bange babo kwerusia nonye na magima abo gukwana chinga kichiboigo nigo baba bakonyora maigerio igoro yebikore byo gusegeta nabo igo gukwanira igoro yemechando eri bagwetera eri gukora emechando ya kebongo egentu kyabeire yekoirira bange wesiria kurwase obiko bwense dipona sanya na roboti ruwa asoboime
Nelituko lyabali abene asabali mu bechiskuru chiboroso imeye sub county ya Kisii South yogotoka ebunge Bonchari imeye county ya Kisii asababa bakwaligania enkwana ya abene anene bucha sabali mu abasacha unenchire ya moyo gusange ebirengerero byabo nabigo gukwanira igoro yebikore byabasacha bange kwerusyo bomoyo
eseriete ngoro kunga Kennedy Nyamwanda igondo mo deputy national treasurer Kenya National Union of Teachers no torino yo minto Alpha Tundimu oyo Romo secretary of Kisii Central Nadi branch and ole member ya National Executive Council mtuachaga asengencho ye meeting ya abalimu abagaka toko yo nga main caucus babu atamanga abali gosha ikera we realize that not leadership nga abasache bakale wesungi sana in general korwe saba na abasai korwe saba mura baka bagaka ba ikire myaka yogo chikoritaya tokora it is very important nga a meeting yebekwe yabalimu abagaka egere ba omerna today bakwana mangana na kitoko semania na kitoko menyabuna abasache ngiyakara to weita
ona ekerekyo omu executive secretary wekyombekya nat Kisii South branch Jared Mariera igabolia okubwatanamo kwa balimu ase union ingana boigo yaegwa okoboko gose chinguru no MC we wodi Ariana Victor Ombasa.
I want to appeal to you that continue supporting the office. Endelea kutusaidia tuendelee kuwafanyia kazi kwa hilo office. Number 2, for those of us who are not NAT members, I want to beseech you. I have the list. I'm coming for you. Kindly msinikalie wagumu. Nitakuja, unajaza vile unajaza so that you become a NAT member.
National Union of Teachers. Please strengthen it. How do you strengthen it? By becoming a member. When the union is strong, the teachers are also strong. Ukweli ama uongo? Iko hivyo. Strengthen it. Become a member.
Abarai ao nigo baikirana gati aba bakurikie kirogo ky'obujumbe imeye bunge yo Ronald Onyimbo nigo akwanira anene gangerororo yogosira balimu gichisemi imeye bunge ya Bonchari igyakinire.
I will bring together other leaders togolere nati Bonchari egali nango service nebinte binge ndajentale elinda monte binoki aigase kenyoro kendo etenge bwene takoro elinde tubugata ntokolengi toenda bosio kewe ika next year chitariki 10 omotie nyonane mongakire kura ekero kyo bunge kya Bonchari
nanyina ko omu director of Bomas Purity kirera nigo ya kirekoko asokuriye kirogo ky'obujumbe kurwenseme yogno musubati engana atebanga na chigoikirania amagenderero nabego kwana na libaga kuchesa basubati anana sobrai
27 chikurango chachire igontete ko basabaga kya balimu na I want to give a promise that In my leadership, abarimu, you are going to be my number one stakeholders in education. We will sit together where education matters, and we will work together to ensure Bonchari has gone a step ahead.
Mwalio nigo abaibuli babuli webo kwana na bana babo anene chinga kechiga gachiro mutimo komoke.
Abana baitongo samba bali chi school. Ndageta goteya abaibulinga. Abana ne after bali. Abaibuli naje take time. Ire gita ekai komi ge karo mwana ragiri mara gobe kya no balinga na intwe tebyo mwana yo wanje tenga ko kwambina magokoro nga sokoro nga ango nga tatamoke motenga ya ikaransa mwandalende onguru Nyamira naende nara kolrubura iwa balimu emyaka bono 20 nabere kyongozi kya nat igento nkubasaba bona abana inchi banyamira ngegente ikyo bosene to mwako wocha ninche manyete bisoero na ninche ndago somo gabana anyoro se county amangana oversight nyamwando yamanyete ikyara bali bantrust 20 years ngi
kuroiga sebunge ya Bonchari ile na ngoro kwa Dipon Asanya
Ono umuriketo Dipon Asanya ase orboti ruchinga kyo abu ankyo abasabe kegolya Genze bakagere guchikokora okurubekana ase chinsemo eri kunyora university amagimabo kubwatikana no kogenda mamincha ye finance bill nikubona abananchi kurwa chinsemo babairi bagwesokya na kubwatuka ebirengerero byabo kubwatikana amono kurubekana kunonye nabo nigo baganiriye serikali nyara ko bagekurigereria ligolyo bugima ase babere bagoteba buna nigo bugima bogendrete kokongera abananchi anene bali bakonyora wainse muriketo Polycarp noroboti uru asobime
unenjerejemo yo kunyora amandamano anyara tukabaga gukorekana umwaka uliweta yo gupingana nene finance bill umwaka ulya ayirerete abasabanga gusira amagimabo n'abantu bange gusira enibo yabo nigo egati abarayikuru asorwa rwa gusina nene bichi sector besokire na gukonera igoro yenkaneyo Wangomano no murai we sector boda boda nseke mukiria BK kurase orogongo rwe county Nyamiro serita Dominic Babu oyo ogikiria maandamano ayo ase abekirekira lunga ana boda boda na nene kurase county Nyamira tibare guchinyara kwa kubwataniwa asokorobekano ko
Ritugori ankyo abanje nisimba de korege de goro maandamano ata indumna boda boda nto associate na mangana ya maandamano na nento basa maandamano ya mambi nto tokore biashara bitu maandamano ya ngochara akora egende goro economic sabotage tota de bindo bya bando bisareke nto tokore biashara bitu to ira banda to barus nkato bike bonega muna bana bare after na barabuna ko ba advice ba soka sa maandamano agency kera tu aroja maandamano ali akora the last time na bokonyoro mondore innocent wagirulisasi. So I want to encourage our people to remain calm.
Kwenda sinsemo yae omuhorai we bunge la wananchi kurwaso muchokero ka serita Samuel Mutari igonera agendere ko bagagotabuna maandamano binigaganire ko myaro ko bagakorekana inyorekana ngobogimani go bwa kongire kurinde nigasabira korekana senchira yo morembe
korobekana gwika koboro rusinge njobogima bwa kongire akiri kobe kwa amani una lero mambia na imoka naji korigie gas umutungi yo moka konyo tokonyogora 1100 bono nanyogora 1500 bono ngori kokonya pi lakini ko ikatopinge sobora yo bondoje mbori buya mbori ko toira buronge
egati abanenja butwasangamo na barabo niko besokire na kugendera kumunugarire kubatikana mu namandamano ayo kulinda sibaganire abali baraje kunyara kwa bakujya kora banyakora sinjira yo morembe na gutasalya kende gyonsi gento bono bagane serikali kurigereria ligo lyobogememense ya Kenya yaba Kenya konyora omweso
igaze mondo kugana nyina maandamano agara ko mani igo mubizo tubeka boda boda ngana maandamano doji gokora ndura kana maandamano namaya lakini wale zaidi ya boda boda mumizo chusalie bindo nyomondo akagenda orate maandamano kifyake igomba mizo chusalie bindo bya bande
kakia serikali tokonye amabuta egana rokere gento iga Kenya keregente nyane sukari pandete keregento ge pandete igo bono nkosaba mambi ritukoria mambi bamura baito bali bagasoka baba gasoka gusaligendo kya monto
ne serikali kimuranje morochi muno uchumi yako ngire tororera mabera morochi muno injene nchigwe yengo karanga nero kiregento nkonyora kuruga iga nero ngosomeria abana bana roche serikali murado ko ngari obogima wana morocha bana ninji ko basomi wetara senji we nyamuru cyo nyara ko mu gutwara beri muna abana inji bakorera bakia serikali yaito nigongo basaba namabera manene namariga ngoitera una inje munyabiasara okeroka n'abanyabiasara baminto bonsi serikali tororera amabera omusikeruto igwibiroro by'abantu bakonye
omwali oye omusike Dominic Babu oyole munyakirogo bwa sekta yiga ya bodaboda kurase county yiga ya Nyamira igagenda ko bagakugikiria okubwataniwa kwa bana se sekta yiga ya bodaboda inyirikana muna abana niko bakira somutimoko omoke
chingageji bara break nayo saba bayibo na barwa take time ko bana abana babo mbaso ase biasara ibito bya bodaboda nande bateme wa advice abana babo muna ntwa bayibori ntwa atiga abana bayito ba advice tuteme ko ba senses no na mangana yo gusamba school na liarake
yingo ripoti rigetaseni kya wanjete kya Gatembe kuraiga imeye county Nyamira inchego nkuru kwa Polycarp Okara
Mbia muno umuriketo Polycarp Okara ase oroboti rumanchu murigerero oroboti uru na rogotwira somutima ko mukebwe keunga tobasa gusukale ngoirana tuli ase kagitari Getambe kurende ngogotiga nenkwana yerituko
ono mwana gakiba chandegete na nyina chandegete obwato omurwaire nyomba naende akoimokia sokisiko naende ira ni nyomba wana gakia bamamenta egasi enkongu
Tuko filing season, the most dramatic time of the year.
Got to file and pay. Me, you was any stress. Saturday night be June 30th.
Sio wasi extend. Sindio?
Kwani kuna kulipa?
Kufile ni kitu moja, kulipa ni ingine, na lazima ufanye zote.
Simi nadhani hiyo ni ya watu wenye wanafanya kwa maofisi. Mimi niko jua kali.
Usipolipa, unachapa mapenzi kila mwezi.
Hakuna kitu ni stress kama kufanya tax returns na kulipa kodi. I'll get somebody else to do it for me.
I filed it on June 29.
Lakini ukulipa, ndio unachofanya.
Hey babe, kwani whose side are you on? Nilisha file na nikalipa kitambo for my salo na pia my side hustle.
Round hii, make sure we file returns.
ine kwabiri gukorya a road show track iyo bwate yogiriya iyo iratigo mu musogo cyase abategereri ultimate road show track experience neyemo y'ubungenjo bunde kwabiri gukorya a track yiga ya road show iyo rakorere a product launch use emisangerekano ya gisiasa brand activation use emisangerekano ya cooperative egatiye ci road show chinde chinyinge bono nigo twakoretere a track yibwate libagaliya eyekerero nabwigo ebwate ebintu byonsi bya sound system eyogiriya nigo liriya kigema iryo ricyujugire ligo kwana nechinguru nabwigo likira bantabange nigo babwata ci DJ Janjere ci MC nabwigo a track nabo kuje tumika asogokorera live performance nigo tokurwa obokorera wito chinsemo abuna bono Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret amoneji county chonsi imeyensi ya Kenya street yago teka babuna street ndeyonsi chingaki obunjeli bwago nebyasara byakinirwe aka esimu gwetera senamba 0704765412 nyora chitrake chiga eldio oikera bantabange
Tuko filing season, the most dramatic time of the year.
Got to file and pay. Saturday night be June 30th. nipatie.
Kwani kuna kulipa?
Kufaili ni kitu moja, kulipa ni ingine. Usipolipa unachapa mapenzi kila mwezi.
Hakuna kitu ni stress kama kufanya tax returns na kulipa kodi. I'll get somebody else to do it for me.
I filed it on June 29.
Lakini ukulipa, ndio maana ushamfanya.
Hey babe, kwani whose side are you on? Nilisha file na nikalipa kitambo.
Round hii, make sure umefile returns.
Ine kwabiri gukorya a roadshow track iyo bwategyo girija iyo iratigwa mu musogo cyase abategereri ultimate roadshow track experience neyemo y'ubungenjo bunde kwabiri gukorya a track yiga ya roadshow iyo rakorere a product launch use emisangerekano ya gesiasa brand activation use emisangerekano ya cooperative egatiye chi roadshow chinde chinyinge bono nigo twakoretere a track yibwateri bagaliya eyekerero nabwigo ebwate ebintu byonsi bya sound system eryogiria nigo liri ya kigima eryo lichunjukire ligo kwana nechinguru nabwigo likira bantabange nigo babwata chi DJ Chanjere chi MC nabwigo a track yenabo kujitumika asobokorera live performance nigo tokurwa obokoreri wito chinsemo abuna bono Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret amoneji county chonsi emergency ya Kenya street yago teko babuna street endionsi chingaki obunjeli bwago ne biasara byakinirwe aka esimu gwetera sinamba 0704765412 nyora chitrake chika eldio oikera bantabange.
Karibu nande mwancho mwaligereria asensemo ya kabiri yekionga chinsa ibere elio ngandira gukomanya magega iyo kugendera kuburiwa igoro yoboremereria igoro yokoriswa wechipara anemeye wodi yaitibo ebunge ne ya North Mogirango imeye county ya Nyamira ningobono mwemsie bwe wodi yo umuskilame square gosenana aberiga kwene kibuna abantu bose baitibo nigo guchakira litkulia mambia chimashine echo che serikali ya county ya Nyamira yabetege kura nigo chirachigo chaka koroisie para ase chinsemecho gukwana boigo nigabeire egakuburia bananchi banyare ko babakoba abatoereru elikone kibuna chiparango chikoroisi wachire elikoba ororobelia obosombi bwabo
mbia mona barari asamaria tangoro kula Mexico yo nyanja manyekanete buna nyakianga gose nana na lili kumete asedi kuria rero na gokire sana asengenjo mwachire gontarera ase ground asengenjo mambintu bwate launching yechipara cheitibo ward eraundi yeye abantu babeire baitibo babwatera ngenene yokorre biragitana na kibye iregeka bitararuma gwago bono ndo taite kueneki mambi saa 2 kamili ngoronchi tore chipara cheitibo chimashini chonspino chikare epara tugochago chakera tugoronche libonyunyu market tuchake ne chipara gochaka bonyunyu market toende mpaka Keburunga toende mpaka ya Simuini eyende tobwate Keburunga toende Matorora toende mpaka China Kabawa ebiragitebi egento nkogotebi nande ngogwakikishera ebiragitebi kwanza ase chinyombe ekyo gokwana chinyomba chonsi chire catered for because origererie para buna bono ya maintenance ya Nyaramba ende mpaka Kibabe nande ngobwatera niwere mpaka Bwarani because kurubwarani mbara complaineti ngabatei baba baremereri eyu ekunete chipara isato epara ekoru Keburunga egende mpaka Matorora abumbo Nyakoni egende mpaka China mbo Nyakoni neyende ekoru Isinta egende mpaka Nyasigoro echichonsi mbo Nyakoni echichonsi echirase program neya Nyasio
kira rituko ngwe abantu bagwaka esimi nao ntukorunyasio ntoraroseri gupara bono na barabu mambi ngo babekera nde full stop yegisimi cyabo cyo kunyago complain igoro yegipara ekyo so igo nagetengera iri naro edosa nero ngo ya ikirororo echake kuigora kurugetengera iri eturumboke chiefs camp esoeroche ende mpaka getangwa so ebi nabyo bintu twabangira aserituko lya mambi chipara nechinyinge ya nyaramba kebabe yenginda chipara at least chionsi njire ke 34 chipara nechinyinge chikorosiwa igo mambi ngaete in 1 month from now kero gocha itibona baba dana itibonete emire korosiwa mangane chipara abamereri bane ba kisiasa nanje tuyangire libageri kerongorigereri tindara muntu tokwamerani nere mono nonye nkiakiri nonye ningi tindara buya lakini asaba bande bagotumeka siasa okore ebinto bitabwenereti gotaka koirania omonto personally individually ke magendero maega gotaka korigi gose
Ekiombe kyo bacholi ne chimbebe IEBC nigo bono kyaberige kolale buna nigo kyaberige kubeka emerobeli emetingu erikone kibuna chikura cy'umwaka bw'ekiri bubere na 2025 nigo kirachikoba ekyo bwene nabo igwo bwasyoku ase abakenya bonsi ukona umuteneneri bw'ekiombe kyo Erastus Ethekon igabaire kagoteba buna abakenya bonsi mbaganiri gotwara bwoba ase kiribuna nigo ekiombe kyo kubwaterana amone serikali kirachikoene kibuna nigo omurayo bene harachi gochorwa asobwasyoku wanchelia kondo wansi utayo.
Our specific power relates to the conduct of elections, number one. The second one relates to boundary delimitations. And all these are important in ensuring that the citizens enjoy sustainable democracy, equitable representation. Article 81 of the Constitution further sets out the general principles of our electoral system, requiring that elections be free and fair, conducted by an independent electoral body. That is what the people of Kenya said, not me, not our commissioners present here. And that the elections must be transparent, administered in an impartial, neutral, efficient, accountable, accurate, and based on universal suffrage and free expression of the will of the electors.
As a commission, we are reaffirming our commitment to safeguarding the democracy in Kenya and serving the people of Kenya with excellence. The successful implementation of the two plans will require collective efforts.
Sisi hatujakula cha mtu, hatutoiba cha mtu, hatutovunja boma la mtu. Tutalinda kura.
Kenya cannot afford another electoral process whose credibility is questioned before it even happens. Our concerns do not end with the elections operation plan. The integrity of the voter register remains a matter of national importance.
Kenya belongs to all of us. The hopes, livelihoods, and future of over 55 million people must never be held ransom by the ambitions of a few seeking political office. Those political offices are important and we respect them, but they should never hold us at ransom. Children must be able to go to school. People must be able to go to work. Businesses must continue as usual as they campaign for these positions.
Na boigo omwaziri bobolendi bwaime muskones maskipchimba murkomen nigarulege kulege tindi gochase bonsi au baguchigo korobekana litkulia ankyo asabereka gotabuna bali barachikwe bwatarania amono bokebago nigo barachikumirana nelichiko litindi gukona litkulia rero kurwase nyumba ya Rambe ime yomocho Nairobi nigabereka gotabuna eserikali nigo irachikwegerera oboene bwo mwanya bantu asenonya nabo babiri bagotabuna nigo abasikali bonsi barachi kurinda bali batari gochikokoro kurobekana asekeri bona nigo barachikogenderera amano bunchori bwabo bwakira lituko.
Citizens who would like to engage
in public demonstrations. The government respects that some political actors have planned to use the protests for their political campaigns and are hell-bent on mobilizing goons, gangs, and criminals with all manner of crude weapons to cause mayhem by attacking businesses and innocent civilians. Our position as a government is as follows. The government will deal decisively and in accordance with the law with any individuals or groups seeking to exploit legitimate protests to cause chaos, engage in looting, destroy property, disrupt businesses, or commit any other criminal acts. The Director of Criminal Investigation is already investigating reported cases of individuals who are currently and actively mobilizing and sponsoring some Kenyans to take part in violent activities and will be on high alert tomorrow. Those responsible will face the full force of the law. The police will do everything under the law to protect peaceful protesters and members of the public going about their businesses, including children and students going to school. Thursday, as I've said, will be a normal business and school day. Our children are free to go to school and people to go about their businesses. The Constitution guarantees the right to education and lawful means of earning a living. We expect that members of the public, including protesters, will not wait for the police to make their security and safety choices. Make no mistake, any person who is going to be procured by those people or any other person to come tomorrow to the streets armed for a violent protest will meet the full force of the law. We urge the public to cooperate with the law enforcement officers, and together let us always uphold peace, order, and the constitutional values that bind our nation. God bless you, and God bless our beautiful country, Kenya.
Nara ibono kurwa sema murigeria hase kiunga chinsa ibere nande chikuraga chinsa inye ningira nenkoletera yande asenchira ere yo wikirano mbya muno yabena asengencho wanja gusangana getembe TV tobwatana nene timu ngima kweneke kwa yanyorire asenchira yo wikirano nchoni gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto.
Tuko filing season, the most dramatic time of the year.
Ati file and pay. Me, you was any stress. Set a deadline June 30th.
See how I say we extend.